What if I told you that one of the greatest football players in history grew up in a small house, often went to bed hungry, and was once told that he would never become a star? This is not just the story of Cristiano Ronaldo, it is the story of courage, discipline, and never giving up. Let's improve our English while discovering the inspiring life of Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo was born on February 5, 1985, on a Portuguese island. His family was poor. His father worked as a gardener and part time equipment manager at a football club. His mother worked as a cook and cleaner. Life was very difficult, but Ronaldo had one big dream. He wanted to become the best football player in the world. As a child, he played football whenever he had free time. He didn't care about expensive shoes or fancy playgrounds. He only cared about one thing: improving every single day. When Ronaldo was just 12 years old, he left his family and moved to Lisbon to join Sporting CP's football academy. Imagine leaving your parents, your friends, and your home at such a young age. He often felt lonely. Sometimes he cried because he missed his family. But instead of giving up, he worked even harder. Life tested him again. At the age of 15, doctors discovered he had a heart problem. For many young athletes, this could have ended their dreams. But Ronaldo underwent surgery and returned to training only a short time later. He refused to let fear decide his future. His incredible talent caught the attention of Manchester United. There, under the legendary coach, Ronaldo learned that talent alone is never enough. Discipline beats talent when talent refuses to work. He trained longer than anyone else. He practiced free kicks again and again. He turned weaknesses into his strengths. Soon the world began to notice him. He won trophies. He broke different records. He became one of the highest paid athletes on earth. But even after achieving success, Ronaldo continued to train as if he had nothing. This is what makes him different. Many people dream about this life, but very few people can stay disciplined every day. Cristiano Ronaldo reminds us that success is not built in one magical moment. It is built in thousands of ordinary days, even when no one is watching you. Maybe your dream is not football. Maybe you want to speak English confidently. Maybe you want to better in your career. Maybe you simply want a better life. Whatever your dream is, remember Ronaldo's lesson. Your background does not decide your future. Your daily habits do. One small improvement today can completely change your life tomorrow. Thank you for learning English with me. If this story inspired you, subscribe to the channel and continue your English journey with more inspiring life stories. Remember, dream big, work hard, stay humble, and never give up. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.